Hello everyone, myself Rotaract Soumya and this is day 10 of LeetCode challenge. I'm going to solve a problem on unique paths. It is a medium level problem on LeetCode and I'm using Java to solve this. The problem statement is, imagine a robot placed at the top left corner of a m cross n grid. It wants to reach the bottom right corner but it can only move right or down at any step. So the question is, we have to count how many unique paths the robot can take to reach the destination. Step 1. Define the function and create the DP table. So, we create a 2D array DP of size m cross n. Each DP of ij will store the number of unique ways to reach the cell I, j. The next step is initialize first row and first column. The first column is filled with 1 because the robot can only go down to reach those cells. The first row is filled with 1 because the robot can only go right to reach those cells. And the next step is fill the rest of the grid. So that is, for any cell I, j, we can arrive either from the top I minus 1, j or from the left I, j minus 1. So there are two ways to reach the sum. The ways to reach is cell above it dp I minus 1 of j. Ways to reach the cell left of it is dp I j minus 1. The final step is return the answer. So return dp m minus 1 n minus 1. We return the value at bottom right corner which contains the total number of unit paths. So thank you for watching.